Hey guys, welcome back to Just the Geek in the Garage. So we hit over 1,500 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for all of your support and interaction and positive comments and feedback. I really appreciate, all of that stuff from you guys. And so, at 1,500, I have a giveaway, and basically the rules were just to put a comment on the giveaway video, and then I will go to basically Comment Shark, which I'm going to put up right now, and basically show the random subscriber or commenter that won. And in this case, it's going to be TS Building Channel. So I went ahead and reached out to them. They selected the lineman's pliers. Great choice on that. And found out they live all the way in Australia. So it's great to see that, people in other countries are watching this channel and interacting and stuff like that. So thank you so much for the support. I'll get these sent out to you here tomorrow. They will take a little while to get to you just because you're in Australia. But again, thank you so much for watching. So having said that, this is going to be kind of a quick video. I just wanted to announce the winner on there. And then just to let you know, this contest is going to continue on with very similar rules. I'm going to modify the rules just a little bit just to make it easier for you guys and not have to wait. Just like the last video I did on this, I did reach out to somebody that won. I waited 7 calendar days. They didn't reach back to me. And then I picked another winner, and that winner got back to me within hours, which was great. So what I'm going to basically say is, so now we have these 2 items that will be the choice for the next winner. So, when and if we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to go ahead and do this again. Go to Comment Shark. Anyone that's commented on this particular video will be basically entered to win one of these items. If you do win, I will reach out to you in the comment section. I'm going to do 3 calendar days now, just so that people aren't waiting forever for us to kind of wait. So you get 3 calendar days to get back to me and let me know, what you choose, what your address is, and I'll send it out to you. One kind of quick disclaimer that I didn't even think about, which this last winner basically made me think about because he's all the way in Australia. To some countries, it is very, very expensive to ship out there. So, if you are in another country and you win, I'll try to get it out to you, but if the cost is going to be like $40-50 to ship it, then maybe you have to come up with a different solution. But as far as, if you're in the US, definitely, I'll get that out to you. Usually within 1 or 2 business days, I will mail it out and you'll get it, very, very quickly. So again, leave a comment down below. Only one commenter per user basically is going to be used for this contest. And again, if we hit that 2,000 mark, I'll basically make another video like this. And keep an eye out on your comments if you guys see me hitting 2,000. If I reach out to you and say, hey, which ones do you guys want, let me know. Get me your address and I will get it sent out to you guys. So again, I really appreciate everyone's support, and above all else, I appreciate 99% of the comments that I get are positive, and people that are just genuinely curious or have questions about things or want specs, details, stuff like that, which honestly is the main reason I kind of launched this channel, is because I know there's a lot of great channels out there, but every once in a while I would watch some videos, be like, man, I wish they would talk about this or that or this measurement or that measurement. And I try to get back to you guys as quickly as possible when you ask me for a part number or a measurement on something I have, etc. So again, really, really appreciate everyone's support and trying to keep it as positive as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.